So for today's project, I've decided to paint stripes in our bathroom. In order to do that, I have my paint roller, which I'm gonna change. Got my paintbrush, screwdriver to open the can of paint. I already measured my wall and it's 90 inches, taking into consideration the baseboard. So each of my stripes are gonna be 15 inches because I kind of want thicker stripes. So I got my gun to take out my picture frames. Also got my tape to tape the lines for what I'm gonna paint. And then I've also done this, so I put bags on my tray of paint, so it's a whole lot easier to clean afterwards. I just take off the bag and I'm done. I'm done. Excuse the baby hairs, but I just like to be comfortable when I'm doing projects like that. So I used this tape, which has like a cut on it. So every time I rolled it out, it kept cutting. That was the first 2 strips that I put. But after that, I got another roll and it was fine. The price of this whole entire thing, I still have maybe more than half a can of paint. The brushes and the rollers were from like the dollar store. Tape was from the dollar store. Of course, it is a small room that I painted, but that's why I wanted, the big stripes so it could look bigger, taller. It's a pretty tall wall. One important thing to remember is when you're taping, tape the outside of the line that you'll be painting. I put 2 coats of paint. It took about 30 minutes just because it was kind of warm. It's a small room and the heater was on because I get cold. The toilet was a little difficult to take off. Alvin helped me, but it definitely took longer than we expected. We thought it was just a couple of bolts and it was off, but it was a little messier with the water and also filming myself. That was really difficult, frustrating. It kept moving, or I thought that I pressed record and I didn't. That was hard. But overall, I'm glad with the outcome. I think it looks good. Let me know what you guys think. It was super easy. It was my first time painting stripes on a room. If I can do it, you guys can definitely do it. If you guys like these type of videos, want to see more, subscribe. I'm planning on doing a couple more projects, so stay tuned for that and subscribe, like, comment what you liked about it. Peace, love, chicken grease.